Hands on the counter. Open the cash and give me the money. Hurry up!
Hey, I only got...
It's just my sister. I know you don't want to hurt her.
He told the woman to open the cash register. The man did as he was told, but there was only $50 in the cash register.
$50?
Hey, give you $50 for the knife.
What?
He said the boy came to sell the knife, and he was willing to buy it. He looked at the two suspiciously. The woman looked at him in fear.
I paid $60 for the knife.
I've got...
The woman took out $15 and gave it to the man.
75 for the knife.
65.
65, what do you say?
The boy hesitated for a moment. He picked up the money, threw the knife behind the counter and left. He let out a sigh of relief. She thought the man's behavior was stupid. He said that guy was just a kid. The knife was useless in his hands. He just wanted to intimidate. He started showing off with the knife in front of the woman.
Drop the weapon! 211 in progress, requesting backup immediately.